Hi, I'm Nick Kozlo. I'm Binance X Fellow, and I'm a software developer, and I'm CTO of Button Wallet. I'm a software developer for a couple of years right now. I was working at Siemens as web developer. I started my career there. Actually, I really love to develop some open source features, and also I have a great team with my friends who are also developing Button Wallet together with me. So together with my team, we've won more than 15 hackathons internationally. Most of my favorite ones are Ethereum hackathons, like Ethereum Global Hackathons, like Ethereum San Francisco, Ethereum Singapore, Ethereum New York, Ethereum Berlin, Ethereum Paris, also Ethereum Denver. So and also Ethereum Cape Town. On most of them, we won some nomination prizes, and on some of them, we have main prize. So the main idea for me is that I really love to bring some funny and interesting features for blockchain and actually for software. Like I just love to develop some funny things. But right now, I think that it's very important to develop and build new infrastructure on blockchain. That's why actually we are building Button Wallet and BNB browser. Let's talk more about my project. So it's called BNB browser, and actually it's extension like MetaMask. So it's a wallet for Binance chain especially, and also for other blockchains like Ethereum and Bitcoin, but it will be released a bit soon. So the main aim and reason why I built it is that Binance chain needs new applications like MetaMask because they have a lot of the apps in browser like Binance Dex. It's very hard to communicate with Binance Dex for me personally without something like MetaMask. And I really prefer to use some web applications for interacting and communicating with the apps. So I think that there are some people more than me. Like there are some other people who likes it too. I really want to make something useful for community, and I want to build a project based on community feedback. So it's very important to understand what you want, and if you can give me some feedback for my wallet, like BNB browser, it will be really great. I think that it's very hard for other extensions like MetaMask right now to bring new features that community wants because it's a very big and old project. It's about 7 years old. So with this old architecture, it's very hard to copy it and to add new feature to it. Also, I think that it's very important for me to have a good quality of code and allow everybody to copy your project and to make additional features to it. That's why I decided to build it on Angular and TypeScript. I think it's very important to have a very high quality of code like Trust Wallet. So that's why we decided to develop it slowly but surely. So that's the main reason why it's not ready soon, but it's in alpha version right now. I think we will release the first version soon, and you'll have a possibility to try it and to give us a feedback. So thank you very much for your attention.